Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, Wake Up and Live. I am Bob. Today I'm going to talk to you about some great benefits of banking your money in Jamaica. Now, every year, hundreds of Jamaicans, just like Americans, reach retirement age and have nothing to show for it. Now, this is so because when they first migrated, no one actually told them of a little known benefit of offshore banking. And offshore banking simply means that you bank your money in a foreign country. In this case, if you're already a Jamaican living abroad, you have the benefit of a country that you can open an account in and benefit from great interest rate. Also, dodging your money from the cost of living and certain other entities in whatever country you are. So, I'm going to tell you about 5 great benefits for banking your money in Jamaica. Number 1, as an investment. Jamaica provides great interest rate for money, especially money coming from abroad. Over the years, we have watched the interest rate grown. The banking system is stable, and it's just a great way of investing money, whether it's extra money or investing in your, say, retirement. Number 2, it saves your money from creditors. Every year in the United States, for example, Jamaicans file bankruptcy, like a lot of people who overextended themselves with either credit card or some sort of loan and can't pay back, and is now forced to actually file bankruptcy. And the creditors, that is the companies you owe money, are now hunting you down for every single piece of asset you have. Right? This is why people filed Chapter 11 to seek government protection from these creditors. If you save your money in Jamaica, you are actually protecting yourself in a case of bankruptcy. Number 3, it is a form of compulsory saving. Everyone knows how beneficial compulsory saving actually is. When you have something saved away where you can't just go and draw the money out, it is giving you a great benefit of building on that reserve. Right. So number 4, building a retirement reserve. If you live in the United States, for example, you hear the problems with Social Security. You hear the doubt that politicians keep casting on whether or not Social Security is going to be available for those coming behind, because it has gone into a situation where the Social Security fund, slush fund, is depending on people coming behind to actually pay. And what if those people behind can't pay? Then there won't be any Social Security. All right. So it's a great way of stashing away your personal Social Security or retirement, whichever name suits you better. You are preserving wealth and security for your retirement. And number 5, simply vacation purposes. Now, when you live abroad in those developed countries, you have to work like crazy to stay alive. Nobody gives you anything. And so you end up sometimes becoming sick or at risk of becoming sick, and you need that vacation time. Vacation time is not just simply a luxury thing you do. It is, for many professions, it's a mental health break that you get. All right. So there you have it. 5 reasons. There are many more, but 5 reasons, good reasons why you should save your money in Jamaica. I'll review. Number 1, for investment purposes. Number 2, to safeguard it from creditors or even government who wants to know your business. You can't qualify for anything because you have too much money, they say, even though the money is never too much. Number 3, it's a form of compulsory saving. It's there in Jamaica, so you can't just run to the bank and draw the money. So it's guaranteed to be building a reserve. Number 4, it's your retirement reserve, because as you know, if you live in a country like the United States and you're a Jamaican, there's no assurance that you're going to get Social Security when it's your time. And not only that, when you do get it, it's almost nothing per month. It's not anything to live off, considering the cost of living in the United States, unless you're going to move to Jamaica. All right. And last but not least, for simply vacation or leisure purposes, you want to save some money there. So when you go there, or when you send the kids there, or whatever reason you're there on vacation, you have spending money. So there you have it. 5 suggested reasons why you should save your money in Jamaica. It is simply a good idea. Thank you for watching. This is Wake Up and Live, and see you next time.